Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English and Kurdish. Today we are going to learn English and Kurdish similar words. If you are ready, let's start together. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment and like this lesson. مرحبا حوالين هیجا هون بخیراتون سر قنالا من اما ایرو به هفدرا لسر زمان انگلیزی و کردی کلمه و peyvên گوتنین وکو have مینا have مینا کن have فیر ببینه هو ببینه به علمنه هین ببینه گر هون حاضرن گر هون آمدنه ام به هفدرا دست ببکن کرم خواه پاروک کرنا جبو ویدیوی شروعندنا جبو ویدیو و آبونه بونه جبو به قناله بیر نکن Learn English and Kurdish زمان انگلیزی و کردی In English, no No In Kurdish, no In English, no In Kurdish, no In English, new New به انگلیزی new به کردی new New Learn English and Kurdish In English, brother Brother In Kurdish, bra Bra به انگلیزی brother به کردی bra به انگلیزی star به کردی sterk In English, star In Kurdish, sterk Und kan bejin ster Learn English and Kurdish Egg in English Egg For example, 2 eggs In Kurdish, hek بميناك بنمونه دو hek In English, part In Kurdish, par In English, lip In Kurdish, lev lip, lev In English, bro In Kurdish, bru Learn English and Kurdish به انگلیزی cry به کردی گریان cry Why are you crying تو جبو چه دگری Learn English and Kurdish with me In English, lemon In Kurdish, لیمون لسر لحمجون بگوشینه Yes Who can translate this sentence in English کان دکارم و گوتنه لسر انگلیزی بگرینین ترجمه بکن ورگراندنه بکن Mall in English In Kurdish, mal In English, mine In Kurdish, من یاجی منه This is mine ابیا آمنه یه دکارم بیجین ابیا یا منه هنه کلمه مده بیجین یا منه هنه کلمه مده بیجین آمنه دار دری درگه در In English, shame In Kurdish, شرم به کردی شرم به انگلیزی shame Yes, everyone, I think that you enjoyed from this lesson because we are learning English and Kurdish together. Some of my followers are Kurdish people, some of them are not Kurdish. So that if you are not Kurdish, please follow me. Pen in English, and in Kurdish, peynuz. In English, dem. Sorry, in Kurdish, dem. In English, time. Please change the place of the flags and language name in the board. In English, time. In Kurdish, dem. In English, ek. It looks like ek, so that you can say both of them are right in the pronunciation. Ek. In Kurdish, esh. Eshamın here. I have egg, stomach, egg. Lord. In English, Lord for man. In Kurdish, Lo for man. Lo, Muhammado. I said you lemon in English, and in Kurdish, lemun. Lemon, lemun. In English, short. In Kurdish, also we can say that kurt, qort, or you can say that gnek. In English, dark. In Kurdish, tarik, dark, tarik. Şevên tarî, dark nights. In English, daughter. In Kurdish, dot. For example, dotmam, dotmame, yani keçka mame, keçka ape. Name. In English, name. In Kurdish, nav. Novete bdenge. Naji novete navdenge. Your name is famous. In English, earth. In English, earth. In Kurdish, erd. Earthquake or earthquake. Ertheji, ertheja. In English, chew. Benisht. Jutin, benisht. June. Like that, I think that in Kurdish, yeah. Let's look at another word. Dress. And this word is another one of the English language, so that let's look at in Kurdish. Gras. Gras is the melesa. I have heard this song like that. In English, horse. In Kurdish, hasp. به زمان کردی hasp. به زمان انگلیسی horse. In English, warm. That's warm. The weather is very warm. This water is warm. In Kurdish, germ. Ev ava germe. In English, nail. In Kurdish, neynuk. Nanuk. Neynuk. Neynuk من دريج بويا. My nail has been grown, or my nail is long. I think that is true sentence. Chin, chang, chana, changa. Learn English and Kurdish. As I said to you, chick is the baby of the I think that you know the chick, baby of the hen. Chick means chook. Being, buin. To be, bun, buin. Being a man is very important for working. Yeah, it's nice sentence. Yeah. Peyvên ji bo karkirinê giring e. rice. In English, rice. In Kurdish, riz. Another word is to remain. To remain. Main. To remain or remaining of this working is very, very difficult. Maina ve kare gelek gringe. Rot. Drought or drought. In Kurdish, re, reg, rad, roder, redar. No, as I said you before. حوالین هجام حتی ور ام گشنه داویه و درسه و از هیوی دارم ما گلک دشت به هفترا ام هبون فیر بون. از گلک سپاس دکم جبو تماشا کردن آوه سیر کردن آوه و نيرين هو بزماني كردي وبزماني إنجليزي ام گشنه تالية و درسه داوية و درسه بمینن کیف و خیر و خوشی. Thank you very much for your watching.